Today we are having beach cleaning day at the Morib. We are here about 42 of us.
We are doing beach cleanup and where we actually collect trash that's actually left by human generated waste and also the ocean waste. We are actually prioritizing on segregation of waste, which is actually very big in terms of this awareness in Malaysia. So segregation of waste is how recycling would actually start. Like there are two types of waste, recyclable and unrecyclable. So it all starts with the segregation of waste.
Plastic and glass bottles, and then we have some cloth also. I believe most of the rubbish are wash up rubbish.
Mostly plastics, straws, cigarette butts, everything here.
Ceramic, tapi I takut kena kaki, so I keep lah. Glasses, bottle.
Ceramic, broken glasses and some leftover clothes, plastic and some tin.